Dance drills basics. Today we're talking about chest. Let's dance. Train our chest. Woo! Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Watch the chest again. Here we go. Little break, let's wait for the next song. Intricate chest movement, big chest movement, making it abrupt, making it smooth. Train our chest to do all that. Let's get back to training the chest. Woo! Here we go. Go. Let's do rotation right now. Rotation. Other side. Here we go. Now, that's chest rotation. Now we're gonna do the whole torso rotation, okay? Watch the difference. Other way. Woo! All right, y'all. I'm gonna talk a little bit about what we did. All these different drills that I introduced earlier is to get more movement, and there's definitely a lot more intricacy to it. But some of the basics one I want to show you guys. Basically, think about when we first started, it was breathing in or expanding your chest out, and then totally exhaling, getting everything out of your lung. Okay, so expand big and small. So I went big, small, big, small. Now, the key thing about this is don't get this confused with shoulder movement, okay? A lot of times when I teach this move, I see people go like this. A lot of, like, just using the shoulders. Shoulders is good, but for this drill right now, for this basic exercise, we want to know how to control the chest, okay? Just here and here. And then the second thing I did is I added an extra pop. So instead of just here, keeping it smooth, I went here, pop. Right when I get to the very end, there's that little burst of boom right there, and then boom right here, okay? So try to add on to that. So we have pop, 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 pop. Try to get that, okay? If you can't, that's all right. Take your time, get it. Another thing that we did was just rotation right here. So if you're watching me, if you're watching yourself, try not to move your head. Keep your head still. And it's just, I want you to imagine the center of your chest. Wherever the center is, right here, for me, right here, and I'm gonna try to rotate it around like an orbit, okay? So here, here. So I come out to the front here, and I shift it to the side this way, back. So this is back this way, side and then front. So we have this here, okay? And then obviously you have the other way around. You'll see the shoulder kind of moves around. It's kind of just more of a complementary movement, but I'm just thinking mostly the center of my chest, center of my sternum, and having it rotate this way, and then reverse rotation, okay? Another thing I did do is to move the entire torso. So when I first did this, you see how the head kind of stays still. Now what I want to do is do the entire thing. So my hip is stationary, but in my entire torso, that's moving. Okay. So those are two different type of movement that is good for you to drill. And same thing this way and also this way. Okay. So one other thing I did was, this is a little bit more difficult even for me when I try to go, when I breathe, when I expand and contract, but I try to pop along the way. It's pop, 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 da, 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 da. So really try to take control of the movement, going out and coming in. Da, 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 da. Okay? So, hope you guys like this, guys. To help the channel, if you want to support the channel, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the bell thingy, and I'll see you guys next week. And happy Funky Friday, y'all. See you next time. Late.